Now we want to solve this question 23 on the same page 41 of Engineering Drawing 1 by Pico Papaka. You are watching my video for the first time, thank you. I want to ask that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. And very important, you need to practice this subject. It's a practical subject. When you practice it, you become a master at it. So this is diagram, and let's go and see the information about this diagram on this page, as we have it to be a question 23. So here we have that the crank OA revolves anti-clockwise about O, and B moves to and fro along the horizontal line through O. Plot the locus of P if OA is 30 millimeters, AB is 95 millimeters, and AP is 20 millimeters. So very important. So what we need to do now is to replicate this diagram as we are given here. So following the information that we are given, so we have that OA is 30 millimeters and AB is 95 millimeters and AP is 20 millimeters. So we are going to put those information on the drawing to draw the object as we are given here, or the diagram that we are given. So the first thing that we need to do based on what we are given there is to draw a horizontal center line. So we draw a horizontal center line like this. Then we are going to draw a vertical center line. So around here, I will draw a vertical center line around here like this. Okay, next thing that we are going to do is to draw a circle of radius 30 millimeters. A circle of radius 30 millimeters. So we take 30 millimeters on our compass, on our ruler with the compass. So this is 30 millimeters. Then we draw the circle like this. So having drawn the circle, the next thing to do is to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So we divide the circle into 12 equal parts. So as the circle, we can divide into 8 equal parts. So if you look at where this point A is located in between this quadrant, you see that it's in the middle, which means this angle is 45 degrees, this angle is 45 degrees. So we can divide into 8 equal parts. So I think that will be faster. So I just divide into 8 equal parts using my 45 degree set square. So this is it. Okay, then I will take this like this. So don't forget that the movement is also anti-clockwise. The movement is anti-clockwise, so that means here we have point A, and I'll call this point 1. So this is point 2, so this is point 3, this is point 4, this is point 5, this is point 6, this is point 7, and this is point 8. So as we have here, so the next thing to do is for us to locate point B on the horizontal line, and we have that AB is 95 millimeters. So what we need to do is to take a measurement of 95 millimeters on our ruler like this. 95 millimeters. So this is 95 millimeters. You put at point A like here, and you make an arc on this line. So this is point B. So here we have point B here. So this is B. So then we are going to draw a line from here to here. Okay, so we also need to extend this line so that we can get point P, which is AP is 20 millimeters as we are told in the question. So this is 20 millimeters now. So this is where we have the first P here. So here we have P at this point. That's the first P. So then with that same 95 millimeters that we have taken, we put at point 2, because we are moving anti-clockwise. This is point 2 now. So we make an arc on this line. Okay, so we draw a thin continuous line from point 2 to meet this point on the horizontal line, and we extend it. So on this line from 2, we take a measurement of 20 millimeters. Take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So this is 20. So we have second P at this point. So I don't have to write that. So I just want to locate the point. So I will need to extend this line a little bit. Okay. All right. So then with that same 95 millimeters, put at 0.3 here, and we make an arc on this line. So then we are going to draw a line from 0.3. We draw a line from 0.3, 18 continuous line from here to here, and then we take a measurement of 20 millimeters from 0.3. So this is 20 millimeters. Then we make this point. So this is the third point. So with that same 95, put at 0.4, and we make an arc on this line. So we have already drawn the horizontal line. So all we need to do is to take a measurement of 20 millimeters from point P here. So we have the fourth point here. So this is the fourth point. Okay. Then with that same 95 millimeters, you put at 0.5 here. So you make an arc here. So then we draw a line from 0.5 to this point here. Okay. Then we take a measurement of 20 millimeters from 0.5 forward. So this is the point. Okay, so we have the point here. Okay, so move on. So with that same 95 millimeters, we put at 6 and make an arc on this line. Okay, so here we are going to draw a line from 6. Okay, so we draw a line like this, and we are going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters from 0.6 forward. So this is 20 millimeters. So here we have this point. Okay, so then from 0.7, so with that same 95 millimeters, so you make an arc here. So we are going to draw a line from 0.7. Okay, so here we take a measurement of 20 millimeters from 0.7 to here. So this is the point. Okay, so last one is 0.8. So 0.8, so we don't even have to, well, I'll just take it. So this is the point. So it's still on this horizontal line. So what you just need to do is that from this 0.8 here, so you just take a measurement of 20 millimeters forward. So we have the last point here. Now, so all these points, we are going to join them together with the use of a French curve. So we take a French curve. Okay, so we take the French curve, so I will join this point together. So want to get a smooth curve, we have to work that out. So you don't have to rush it, just turn your French curve like this. So okay, so you set it very well. So you make sure the points are on the edge of the French curve. So I can join this together like this. Okay, so then this point, these 2 points, I can join them together like this. Okay, then these 2 points here. Okay, so this will be okay. Okay, then these 2 points, so you don't have to rush this because we need this smooth curve. Okay, so these 2 points, can easily join them together like this. Also, so these 2 points here. Okay, then these 2 points here. Okay, all right, so this is the locus of point P that we're asked to guess. As simple as I've done it here, all you need to do is to practice. Thank you, and God bless you.